You can do it, alright? You, man, I believe in you, man. Let me tell you straight up, man. Let me tell you. Things are happening, man. Things are happening. Your effort, your focus, man, it's gotta be in a straight line. Fastest way from point A to point B is a straight line, man. You got it. You control your destiny. What is it you want? Straight line. You go get it, man. You go get it, man. You. Straight line. What is it you want? Point A or point to B? Yeah, you. Yes or no? Yes or no? That's all it is, man. We gotta simplify, man. Yes or no? What is it we want? Go get it or don't. Yes or no? You gotta take what it takes, man. You. And if there's not a single person in the world who believes in you, or you don't believe that nobody believes in you, let me tell you right now, I'm gonna get this out there. I believe in you, alright? I believe in you, man and she, man, right? Me. Whoa, I believe in you. I believe in you so much, alright? So I want you to you got your believer right here, man. I believe in you. You're gonna change the world. You're gonna do amazing things. Me, right here.